It ain't right, but it happens.
I'm going to start trying to show my estimates and bids and behind the scenes on what it's like to operate a tractor company and or forestry mulching company. Today's job was a half-day job, no production pressure, going to have plenty of time to make a finished product look very nice, very park-like. And then you'll see life changes with a change order to go from quantity over quality, and the client telling me get as much acreage done as possible. Well, when that happens, you start trying to press on and go as fast as possible. You'll see some issues that we ran into, and you'll see kind of the behind the scenes of operating a mom and pop tractor company.
All right, so we just started. Had one of the many deadfall, lean falls. I don't know, I call them widowmakers. I was watching it and I kind of pawed at it. One of the top branches broke, came down right on my hydraulic coupler fitting, took out high flow, took out my detent, so I had to hold the button for low flow. Finally ripped that all apart, patched that back together. We got high flow, we got the detent working again. We need to get this job ship shape, so let's get after it. out of here. We got a couple big ones. This guy leaning right here, and then the one directly behind it. Yeah, they're huge. They're 24-inch diameter, probably more than that. Let's go see if we can clean that up. Oh boy. Hopefully that's a little bit better view. Can't really get a good bite. I gotta take this one out first. Leaning right back at me. That's super great. Okay. Clean my work area up. Ooh, she's big. There we go, timber. Hoofed out. Now what do you do? Try to deal with this thing? Just trying to get an angle on it. Yeah. Did I get the camera? No? All right. All right. Well, that'll wrap it up. A little bit of scope creep. We were just going to do this area. Then the client asked, back over here across their property, clean up some areas over there. So, okay. Yeah, and behind me was the adder. And we went all the way down there. Good 30, 40 feet wide by, I don't know, 200 feet long. 300? Looks like a football field. Oh, making good headway on part 2 of the project. Got it nice and cleaned up there. Going. Everything's going great. Except for that. That's a big booger of chain link fence. Yeah, it ain't right. But it happens. Okay, attempt 1. We got a rusty old chain kind of tied to the fence. Let's give it a pull. Give her a pull. Oh my gosh. Ha! Look at that. Looks like my chain bit on just one little hoop of the chain link fence. The rest fell out. Sometimes you don't have to be good. You just got to be lucky. That was luck. Site 2. So we wanted to come in, from the street, make that nice and clear. But there is about a 10-15 foot privacy fence of buckthorn. So you can't quite see it past the road. But anyway, turned out pretty good. Just wanted to give you a quick shot. So very common, I start work and the client falls in love with, how the land opens up and it starts to breathe. Then it's, hey, can you do more and more? And then you have the conversation. Well, it'll be another day, or we can make, the site look good, but not pretty. Making it pretty just takes the extra time. So some clients want the value add of make it look good, but don't spend the time making it pretty. Get more production, get a bigger area done. I don't own the land, I'm not the landowner, but client satisfaction, and this is that.